Welcome to Paper Jams, the place to find Southern Utah's musical acts, brought to you right here in the Cloud9 studio. This month we'd like to present Sarah Jane. Sarah's been performing for over 8 years and has taken part in musical, song, and dance competitions. She's also released a brand new EP that's available on all streaming platforms. Without any further ado, here's Sarah Jane.
Hi, I'm Sarah Jane. I'm gonna play Lion by Bishop Briggs.
I was in chains, I was in fire, I was in deep, I was a liar, dying, dying for your love. I was insane, I was so blinded, nothing remains, I didn't mind it, lying, lying for your love, for your love. In the silence, silence we drown. Sometimes violence, she makes no sound. Just a shadow in the darkness devours. In the silence, silence, I was in chains, I was in fire, I was in deep, I was a liar, dying, dying for your love. I was insane, I was so blinded, nothing remains, I didn't mind it, lying, lying for your love, for your love. I was in chains, I was in fire, I was in deep, I was a liar, dying, dying for your love. I was insane, I was so blinded, nothing remains, I didn't mind it, lying, lying for your love, for your love.
Thank you. My next song is Neon Moon by Brooks and Dunn.
When the sun goes down on my side of town, that lonesome feeling comes to my door, and the whole world turns blue. There's a rundown bar across the railroad tracks. I've got a table for two way in the back, where I sit alone and think of losing you. Oh, I spend most every night beneath the light of a neon moon. Now if you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dance in and out of time to see you in the shadows of this smoke-filled room. No telling how many tears I've sat here and cried, or how many lies that I've lied, telling my poor heart he'll come back someday. Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. Now if you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the beams of a neon moon. The jukebox plays on drink by drink, and the words to every sad song seem to say what I think, and it's heard inside of me. Ain't never gonna end. Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. Now if you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely to watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the beams of a neon moon. To watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the beams of a neon moon. To watch your broken dreams dance in and out of the beams of a neon moon.
Hey, thanks again for listening. I'm Sarah Jane, and you can find my music on Spotify, iTunes, and honestly, like most streaming platforms, if you look up Away Sarah Jane, you should find my EP on there. I have coming up, I'm playing the Landslide Festival September 2nd with my band, and I'm really stoked for that, so I hope to see you there. You can also find me on Instagram at its.sarahjane with 3 E's. Thanks again for watching.
Thanks, Sarah. That sounded amazing. Now be sure to join us here every month from the Cloud9 studios on St. George News for Paper Jams.